Arizona Department of Health Services reported Monday that inpatient beds, ICU beds, ventilators in use and emergency room visits for suspected and confirmed COVID-19 patients all hit their highest ever numbers this weekend, ahead of President Trump's visit on Tuesday.
Arizona is one of 25 states where coronavirus cases are growing by at least 5% and one of 14 states. As of Sunday, the nation's 7-day average of new COVID-19 cases increased more than 24% compared with a week ago, according to a CNBC analysis of Johns Hopkins University data. Phoenix's mask-wearing mandate started Saturday and pertains to indoor and outside spaces when physical distancing cannot be maintained. However, on Sunday, Phoenix Mayor Kate Gallego told CNN she would like to ask Trump whether it is appropriate to have this event in Phoenix while we are increasing the amount of COVID-19 in our community. But if you are going to have it, please send the strongest signals to everyone that they need to wash their hands, they need to wear masks, and they have to stay home if there is any question as to whether they are sick. Dream City Church, the venue hosting Trump's speech on Tuesday, reportedly holds up to 3,000 people.
The Trump campaign faced criticism over the weekend when the president's rally in Tulsa, Oklahoma, drew less than 6,200 people, after setting exceedingly high expectations for the event. The Trump campaign blamed the low turnout on the media scaring away attendees and protesters who blocked access to metal detectors. However, a Fox News poll released Friday found that 59% of Americans said crowded campaign events are a bad idea, given the risks posed by the ongoing coronavirus pandemic.
I said 2 weeks ago that there is not a trend here, said Governor Ducey said on June 17. Looking at the last 2 weeks of data, there is a trend. And the trend is headed in the wrong direction, and the actions we're going to take are intended to change that direction and reverse this trend.
8.8 million. The coronavirus has now sickened more than 8,899,000 people globally, and at least 466,200 people have died, according to a New York Times database.
Arizona COVID-19 hospitalizations soar ahead of Phoenix Trump student rally, Newsweek.
Arizona hits new COVID-19 hospitalization records as cases continue to spike ahead of president's visit, as Central.
Turnout at Trump's Tulsa rally was just under 6,200, a fraction of the venue's 19,200 capacity, Forbes.